Hey guys, so what would you say if I showed you and told you about a product that was like literal magic? Or is it magic meets science? Well, let's see. So I was shopping at Shoppers Drug Mart last week, I think it was, and I saw this amazing looking product. It was unfortunately $60 for just this small product, and it was a color changing lip balm. It was a high-end lip balm. It was a little lip balm about this big, and it was a clear lip balm, but it was supposed to turn pink when applied to your lips. It was expensive, and I was like, that is just way too expensive for a lip balm. So, but lo and behold, I found one exactly similar for a drugstore price, and it was this one by Essence, and it's their Glimmer Glow color changing lipstick. Even though it says lipstick, I would say this would be more like a lip balm, I think, but oh wow, guys, this is absolutely amazing. I have to try it with you guys on camera. I've tried it before, now you're gonna see me try it on camera. So check it out. Look how pretty it looks. See, it's a clear iridescent crystal-like bullet. Yes, it's called a bullet. And yeah, but believe it or not, you would think this would appear clear when you apply on your lips. No, it doesn't. It turns your perfect shade of pink depending on your pH level, which is like magic to me. Like, it's like literal magic, but it's actually science. Pretty cool, right? So watch this. I'm going to apply it for you right now so you can see. Going on clear. But look at my top lip versus my bottom lip. Oh my gosh. And it smells like candy. It actually smells really good. Wow. See that? Are you seeing this right now? Let me put it on my bottom lip now. Wow. It leaves a little bit of a chemically yucky taste in your mouth, which I don't like. But that's not too big of a deal for me. But oh my gosh, guys, look. It changed. It literally went on my lips clear and turned pink. This is my perfect shade. Wow. And the coolest part is that depending on your pH level, it's going to appear differently on every person. It's not going to appear the same. So it's really cool to guess what your color is actually going to be, and then you try it and then you see what happens. Like, oh my gosh, this reminds me of this candy that you could get. It was candy lipstick that literally actually painted your lips. It was so cool. I saw it at a candy store one day, and it was an edible candy lipstick. So it was candy, but it was made to look like a lipstick, but it literally could actually paint your lips, which was so cool. You think as a kid that's like so amazing. That's another cool idea for a video. Doing your makeup with candy, or candy that looks like makeup. If I could find like a whole bunch of products that were edible candies but made to look and go on like real makeup, wouldn't that be a cool video to do? That would be amazing. Definitely worth it and better to get this than purchasing that like $60 lip balm that does like the same thing. Like, even though, like I said, it has a bit of a chemically taste but in your mouth, but that doesn't really bother me that much. So is this worth it? Definitely get your hands on this.